Alright, so we caught the lizard that was in my bathroom. In a box. Watch out! There's a lizard in there. Move. Move. Crap, I hope he's in the box. There he is. There's a lizard. Leave him alone. We want him to run away. There he is. Oh, now you're scared. You're scared of him. Look at that. What is that? Look. What is that? You gonna get it? You too scared? There he is. We'll get him. Should we let him go? Let's let him go. Ready? There he goes. You gonna get him? Say heck no. I ain't touching him. He's gone. Oh yeah, now you're all brave and I'll stick your head in there.